All right, let's dive right in. Look, generative AI has completely taken over the digital landscape, right? And while using it often feels like pure magic, underneath the hood, it's really just incredibly powerful architecture. So in today's explainer, we're going to demystify exactly how ChatGPT works. We're breaking down the mechanics so you can better leverage this tool that is, quite literally, actively reshaping our world.
Millions of us use ChatGPT every single day. We use it to draft difficult emails, brainstorm recipes, write code, summarize super long documents. The list goes on. But have you ever stopped to think about what actually happens when you hit enter and get this brilliantly formulated answer back in seconds? Understanding these hidden mechanics is absolutely crucial, because this isn't just another app. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with information. And knowing what's going on under the hood, well, that just makes you a much more effective user.
To unpack all this, we're going to walk through 5 quick steps today. 1. What is ChatGPT? 2. How AI learns language. 3. Answering your questions. 4. Why AI makes mistakes. And finally, 5. AI in our world. Okay, Section 1. What is ChatGPT? A prediction machine, not a human brain. Traditional software relies on really rigid if-then rules. Basically, if a user clicks a button, execute this specific action. But an AI network, it operates entirely differently. While the human brain thinks, it feels, it understands context, and it draws on lived physical experiences, an AI doesn't actually feel anything about the topic it's discussing. It simply and quietly recognizes mathematical patterns. That pattern recognition is the absolute foundation of the whole shebang.
So, at its absolute core, a generative AI chatbot is just a system that predicts the next most likely word based on patterns it learned from massive amounts of text. Honestly, think of it like your phone's autocomplete, but on absolute steroids. When you type, "I am going to the," your phone might suggest store or park. ChatGPT is doing the exact same thing, just with infinitely more complex sentences and ideas. It is calculating the statistical probability of what words should logically come next to sound natural to a human ear.
Moving on to Section 2, how AI learns language. The massive library. To predict language this accurately, the AI has to undergo a preliminary process that developers call training. And guys, we aren't talking about feeding it a few encyclopedias here. The sheer scale of the training data is mind-boggling. The AI absorbs billions, literally billions, of word scrapes from published books, academic articles, vast websites, and basically the open internet. It's essentially downloading the collective written knowledge of humanity into a single digital architecture. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just store these words like a standard hard drive. The training phase is all about systematically mapping relationships. It mathematically learns that the word peanut is highly correlated with the word butter, or that a question containing the word gravity is highly likely to require the name Isaac Newton in the response. By doing this billions of times over, it successfully maps out the entire structural architecture of human thought. All right, Section 3, answering your questions, slowing down the magic. So what exactly happens in that split second after you hit enter? Well, step 1, you enter a prompt, something like "the sky is." Step 2, the AI instantly analyzes those words, cross-referencing them against that massive mathematical map we just talked about. And step 3, it predicts the most likely next word. Based on the billions of texts it read where sky and is are followed by a color, it calculates that the highest probability next word is, of course, blue. And here is the real mind-bending trick. It repeats this exact process thousands of times per second. It predicts blue, then looks at the new phrase, "the sky is blue," and predicts because, then predicts of, word by word, token by token. It constructs the next most logical piece of the puzzle at lightning speed to give you a fluid, beautifully structured, lifelike response. Which brings us to Section 4, why AI makes mistakes. The illusion of understanding.
Now, you're probably wondering, if this tech is so profoundly advanced, why on earth does it still invent historical facts or confidently fail basic math? Well, it all comes down to true understanding versus language prediction. When a human expert answers a question, they draw on intrinsic facts they know to be true. The AI does not. It doesn't actually know what a cat is, it just knows the statistical probability of the word feline. It has absolutely no internal compass to verify truth, only a compass to verify probability. And this leads us perfectly into a really important industry term you've got to know: hallucinations. A hallucination happens when the AI makes mistakes or just completely invents information because it's prioritizing those language patterns over verifying actual facts. It can spit out a perfectly logical, beautifully written string of words that is factually 100% false. It sounds right, but it's totally made up. And that is exactly why it is a highly capable assistant, but definitely not an infallible truth machine.
Finally, Section 5, AI in our world. Zooming out.
Now that we understand how this predictive machine functions and, where its limitations actually lie, how is it reshaping our reality? Well, this tech is already transforming education, healthcare, business, software development, customer support. Software developers are using it to debug code significantly faster. Doctors and nurses are exploring it to streamline patient notes. The real-world impact of instantly generating highly complex text based on human patterns is just massive, and it's touching nearly every single sector of the economy.
So, the ultimate takeaway here? It's powerful, but definitely not perfect. ChatGPT is an incredible tool that predicts words using learned patterns. And sure, while it is prone to the occasional hallucination, it is absolutely becoming a vital part of our daily lives. The key is just knowing how to drive the car, knowing exactly what it excels at, and exactly when you need to keep your own hands firmly on the steering wheel.
To wrap things up, our source material notes this perfectly. AI is one of the most important technologies of our time. Understanding how it works today will help you navigate the future. By seeing past the magic trick and understanding the pattern recognition running underneath it all, you are fully equipped to use this tool safely and smartly. So, the next time you type a prompt and watch those words generate in real time, ask yourself, what other patterns in our daily human lives might artificial intelligence learn to perfectly predict next?